amigo, amiga, and mga friends ko dyan. Hi, this is Lulu Chef Mashpo. Guys, ano to? Look at this. Squash yan. Sa Tagalog, kalabasa. Ganito ang cut ko. Kasi one time, shoutout to Vivian ha. Vivian told me, ang lalaki daw ng cuts ko. Viv, ito na yung parang rice ko. Pero I'm gonna put some rice kasi ang sarap nito eh. Magugulat ka na lang kung ano ito mamaya, okay? Guys, look at this. 1, 2, 3, go. Charan! Woohoo! Oh my gosh! This is a Filipino cuisine. To all my friends out there, like in Manila, Philippines, Europe, US, Middle East, Asia, this is my food right now. Ang tawag dito, squash, in Tagalog, kalabasa. Mga bata, ayan ang kalabasa. I cut it into 3. Sabi ko sa inyo, di ba, pag-cut laging 3, 5, add numbers, okay? So, nilagyan ko siya ng thyme on top, courtesy of my sister. O nga pala, shoutout to Nates and Babsi, happy birthday. Ito yung handa ko sa'yo. Ayan, okay? And then, ayun yung namin, ayun yung vegetable tulog. Ayun yung fruits ko, guys. Mango, Indian mango yan. Okay, let's go back. Ito yung kalabasa. We call it kalabasa in Tagalog, squash in English. Okay? Ayan yon. And then, ito naman yung prawns. OMG, look at this. Guys, hipon yan. Hi, Jem. Ayan hipon yan, Jem prawns. Okay? 5 yan. Actually, 7 yung niluto ko. Pero iba tinira ko pa kasi nga masyadong marami. So, ayan yung hipon. Fried lang yan. Alam ko paano ko ginawa. Siyempre, alam niyo na, di ba, normally, mainit yung pan, super hot yung frying pan, lalagay mo yung hipon, kasi nga hindi ko nilalagay kagad dyan. So, pinapainit ko muna yung kawali, and then, tsaka ko ilalagay yung hipon. Pag mainit na, na-soak na nung hipon yung kawali, kumbaga parang naluto niya na ng konti, tsaka ko lalagyan ng salt, pepper, and calamansi. Yun lang. Pero nilagyan ko muna siya ng water, guys, before I add the condiments. Kasi nga kasi binababad ko yan sa salt and how do you call that? And calamansi, bago ko ilagay sa fridge. Okay? So, ayan yun. Alright? And then, ito naman, ginawa ko steam. Okay? Ano lang yan, mga bata? Ano ko lang, parang nilaga lang. Okay? And then, ito naman, yung, ito yung tinatawag na gulay namin sa Pilipinas. It's, ano ba English yung kamote? Dahon ng kamote, yan yun. So, binili ko yan sa mga bagets. Hello there, mga Ilocano. And then, ito yung egg. So, I cut it into 3 again. Ano yan boiled egg lang yan. So, para mas tipid, guys, ilaga nyo muna lahat. Yung kalabasa. Kailangan pag kumukulot, tsaka mo ilagay yung kalabasa, yung gulay, and yung itlog, sabay-sabay yun para tipid sa gas. Okay? And then, kailangan yung gulay, guys, ilalagay mo lang any broccoli, asparagus, dahon ng kamote, or dahon ng saluyot. Lahat yung kailangan makulo mo na, kulong-kulo. Para pagkakulo ng konti, take out the leaves, this kamote. Kasi para hindi magsoge, di ba ang ganda ni tsura? Parang hotel na naman, di ba? RT. So, ayan yung lunch ko. I will add some rice later on. So, pwede na yung maging dinner, di ba? Lunch and dinner. Kasi breakfast ko porridge oatmeal, and then milk. Milk coffee, yun lang. Okay? Okay, shout out to Shan. Hi, Shan. You take care always. And everything is smooth, okay? And then shout out to my friend in Lagos. And then in California, in US, Middle East, Asia, my relatives there, shout out to all of you. I got you, Kush, and who else? The one in India, Pang. Marami sila eh. I have lots of friends there. Okay? And then ito yung mangga. Guys, Indian mango lang yan. Tignan mo, arty-arty, diba? Ito yung pagkat ko. Binalatan ko lang, tapos in-slice ko ng malalaki. Kasi pag kinain ko mamaya, guys, lalagyan ko lang yan ng vinegar. And salt. Yun lang. Natatakim na ako. Kasi hindi pa kumain, guys. Dami ka-chat ako. Alam mo na, pagka chef mash po, ang dami nagtatanong. O, diba, ang taray? Shoutout to Sir Robert, hi. Sir, okay ba presentation? Pinuri. Actually, guys, may pinuri pala sa akin, no, from international. Chef din siya. His name is Chef Recipe 30. Tignan mo. Kasi nagko-comment ako sa kanya, tapos nag-text siya. Sabi niya lagi, have a nice day, have a lovely day, I like your cook. And then, sabi niya siya do yun. So, I'm so proud. I just wanna see Gordon Ramsay. Mali mo, maging sikat na international cook ako, di ba, chef? Kasi guys, I don't know, this is a talent. Like Monica said, Monica Herrera told me, I've got amazing touch. Kahit na anong hawakan ko, guys, nagiging ganito ang result, elegante. So, shout out to to Melissa Herrera, Lazatin, kapatid ni Monica. Mami, hi! Mga anak mo, anak niya ni Jericho Val, hello there. And then kay Chucky Dreyfus si laki na pala si Casper. Hi Eileen. Eileen, nag-ano ka na ba? Nag-subscribe na pa ni Chucky tsaka ni Casper? Okay, ayan. O nga pala, papakita ko to kay Casper. Casper, di ba you work in Air Asia? Yung anak ni Eileen, o yan, ni Chucky Dreyfus ito. I got this from Air Asia Airlines. Meron pa yung parang ano tawag doon? Yung pang kumot. Pero parang shawl na malaki, pero blanket tawag nila ron. And then ito pa. Are you ready, guys? Oh, Casper, ito pa yung isa ko. Look at this. Air Asia. Haha. Oh, diba? Taray. Meron yan. Ayun, nandun sa taas, yung blanket. Papakita ko sa'yo minsan buo. Okay? Back to my food. Okay, guys. Mga bata, ulitin ko Steam lang yan. Ito, nilaga ko. Ito, nilaga ko din. Ito rin, nilaga ko. O, di ba, tipid? Ang una mong gagawin, magpakulo ka muna ng mainit na tubig. Diana, Cassandra, who's that? JL, JR, and MJ, Joel, okay? Maglaga mo. Pero kailangan may assistance kayo ng matanda, dahil mga bata kayo. Gayahin nyo to. Kasi may nagsabi sa akin, Tita Lu, thank you for posting or doing the vlog for everyone, for the kids. Kasi nga gusto ko maging independent sila and matuto silang mag-plating, mag-appreciate ng food. Kay gulay, kay patatas. Dapat nga mash ko, lalagay ko kaya lang parang hindi match eh. And dami kasi pangit, diba, yung pag maraming pagkain, kailangan mga 3 pieces lang. Lagi. Para hindi okay? So ito na, nilaga lang yan. Tapos ito, pirito, fried lang. Pero may onion. Walang onion pala. May pepper lang yan, salt, and vinegar or calamansi. Pero nilagay ko dyan calamansi. Ini-squeeze ko lang. I'll just squeeze it. Itlog. O yan. O diba? May gusto kong order eh. Sabi ko, sige. O hi Glenn. Dumating siya from Philadelphia. Friend ko. Shout out to you. And I miss playing billiard. Hi to Carol. Magaling din mag-billiard yung guys. Super. Pareho kami. Sabi ko nga sa kanya, kilala ko ni Sir Efren Bata eh. Client ko dati sa hotel. Nakita ko siya sa Manhattan. Sir, yung mga tricks ko, Sir Efren, promise, pag naglaro tayo, parehong-pareho, magic. Nagpa-practice ako lagi sa computer and then sa personal. Kaya lang sana pandemya, wala na. So, shout out to all of you guys, to all my friends, relatives. Babsi, happy birthday again. We love you, brother. And then sabi ni Sean, happy birthday rin. You're getting old daw. Haha. Hi Mates, ingat kayo. And then France, pamangkin namin. So enjoy your day. And then shout out to Ate G, Anita, Roy Suma, and Uno, hi Apo. Ate, kasama nila and the dogs. Okay, hello. Ate Miha, isa ka lang lagi sa kondo. Thank you nga pala for everything. Mag-ingat ka dyan. We love you. Thank you for always, giving me, you know what I mean. And shout out to Ate LB. Ate LB, hi. JL, I love you. JR, ingat lagi for flying your cup. You know what to do. Guys, we just do the best. And then we just keep on, being natural, honest, kind to ourselves para pagdating nun, later on, mali-reciprocate mo yung personality mo. Kasi pag mabait ka, mabuti ka, talagang lalabas yun, guys. Pero pag maldita ka, lalabas din yun. O, diba? Ang taray. Okay, shout out to all my office mates in real estate, Century Properties. Hi, Sebastian, and then your mom, Tita Sheila. And your sister, Nicole, hi. He's always calling me. Okay. And then who else? Shout out to all the hotel, the telemarketing group. Shout out to all of you. And to the computer, Boss Joe. Ma'am Mirna, I love you so much. Ang dami ko natutunan. Guys, kaya ako gumaling na ahente. Tapos, kaya naman ako gumaling dito sa mga plating because of Sir Robert Yupanco. Kasi nga consultant niya ako sa marketing. And then to all, yeah. So, I'm getting hungry, guys. Promise. Diba? Always be safe. It's now cloudy. It's now June. So, Ate Mimi, your birthday is also near. And then, I'm wishing you all the best. Bobsy, happy birthday. And lahat na nagsa-celebrate. O nga pala, shoutout to Boss Joe. Yung may-ari ng JC Premier. Ka-birthday mo, Bob. All the Talk online franchise. Show my king, congratulations. And may God bless everyone. Cheers always. Happy and take care. Let's pray maayos na yung pandemya. And then, God is always good to us. Just be nice and kind. Yun lang ang pwede. Okay? And that's my drinks. And that's the other drinks. Tapos, ayun guys, yung ko pinapropagate. Ayun yung halaman ko, yung silo. And then yung painting ko guys, ayun hindi pa tapos Binigay niya Ate Mia na ako nag-paint. Papakita ko sa mga painting ko. Magbablog ako. Okay? Paano guys? This is Lulu Chef Mash po. Be safe everyone. And then love one another. Communication guys, it's really important in any relationship. Whether family, friends, husband, boyfriend. Communication is the best. Like what Sean told me. It's really the best. Okay? Take care everyone. This is Lulu Chef Mash po. Hasta la vista. Shout out to Ma'am Jessica, I forgot. Ma'am Gorgeous Jessica, Michael Doma, Ernal Ignacio, Jamuel Lu, and Edward, all of you guys from Radyo 5. Okay, this is my food again. Okay? Hasta la vista, baby. Mwah.